What if you could build your own software app just by typing a sentence without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what one new startup is aiming to make possible for everyone, even if you've never touched a programming tutorial in your life. Before we dive into how this works, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you've ever wished you could build an app yourself. Dennis Xu, a Replit founder and co-creator of the AI note-taking app Mem, is back with a bold new startup called Adaptive Computer. Xu openly admits he's not a programmer, but that hasn't stopped him from taking on an ambitious goal: reinventing the personal computer, starting with how we build software. Adaptive Computer is all about making app development accessible to everyone through something they call vibe coding. You don't write code, you write a text prompt. From there, Adaptive's platform does the rest, handling everything from the back-end database to user authentication, payments, file management, and even AI features like image generation or speech synthesis. And they've already raised $7 million in seed funding to bring this vision to life. Backers include Pebblebed, Conviction, Weekend Fund, Jake Paul's Anti-Fund, and even Roblox CEO Dave Baszucki. Their main product, a platform called AC1, is still in alpha. But even in this early stage, it's capable of building full-featured functional apps in about a minute. The demo, a fully working bicycle ride log app, complete with sorting features, distance tracking, and the ability to share it with others, all generated from one single prompt. This isn't just another coding shortcut. Xu says the key difference between Adaptive and competitors like Replit or Lovable is who it's designed for. While those platforms started by helping programmers code faster, Adaptive is focused on true non-programmers, people who want to create apps for themselves or others without dealing with API keys, SDKs, or any of the technical jargon. Apps built on Adaptive can even interact with each other. So, for example, if you create a file hosting app, another app you build later can access those files. Xu compares it to an operating system, not just a standalone web app. And people are already building a wide variety of things with it. Storytelling apps powered by AI, e-commerce sites for selling coffee beans, and text-to-speech tools for reading PDF files out loud. If you're curious to try it out, Adaptive Computer offers a limited free tier, a $20 month plan, and a $100 month Creator Pro version, depending on how far you want to go with your builds. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, an educator, or just someone with an idea you want to bring to life, this could be the beginning of a whole new way to think about software. Want to see more groundbreaking tools like this in action? Tap the related video in the corner now to keep exploring the future of tech.